The ultimate mold removal showdown. Products versus professional services. Mold infestation is a common problem in homes and workplaces, leading to a range of health issues and structural damage. When it comes to mold removal, homeowners often find themselves at a crossroads, choosing between DIY products and professional services like those offered by FDP Mold Remediation. This video delves into the ultimate mold removal showdown, products versus professional services, to help you make an informed decision. Understanding the enemy. Mold. Mold is a fungus that thrives in damp, humid conditions, and can grow on various surfaces, including wood, fabric, and drywall. It's not only unsightly but also a health hazard, causing respiratory issues, allergies, and other ailments. The first step in effective mold remediation is understanding the extent of the infestation, which often requires professional assessment. DIY mold removal products. A temporary solution? DIY mold removal products range from natural solutions like vinegar and baking soda to chemical-based cleaners. They are readily available and seem cost-effective. However, their effectiveness is often limited to surface level, making them a temporary solution. These products can deal with small patches of mold, but are inadequate for larger infestations or mold hidden within walls or under floors. FDP Mold Remediation. Comprehensive and safe approach. Enter FDP Mold Remediation, a professional mold removal service. Our approach is comprehensive, starting with a thorough inspection to identify all areas of mold growth, including those not visible to the naked eye. This is followed by a detailed plan for safe and effective removal. FDP Mold Remediation uses advanced tools and techniques that go beyond surface treatment. We address the root cause of mold growth, ensuring that it does not return. Our teams are trained to handle various mold types, including toxic black mold, which can be hazardous to remove without proper equipment and expertise. Health and safety, a priority with professional services. One of the significant advantages of choosing a service like FDP Mold Remediation is the focus on health and safety. Mold removal can expose individuals to harmful spores. Professionals are equipped with protective gear and use HEPA filters and other technologies to prevent mold spores spread during removal. Expertise and experience. FDP Mold Remediation brings years of experience and expertise to the table. Our teams are trained in mold biology and removal techniques, ensuring that we can tackle any mold problem effectively. This expertise is something that DIY products cannot offer. Peace of mind. Lastly, the peace of mind that comes with professional services like FDP Mold Remediation is invaluable. Knowing that your home or workplace is free of mold and your health is not at risk can be a significant relief. Choosing professional services like FDP Mold Remediation is not only a wise decision for your property but also for your health and well-being.